My old man was there with Spiritus. I saw him. If he's here, I don't care what that girl wants. I won't fight.
And here I thought it was over.
Good day, I say.
Huh? Huh? No!
Good day, I say!
Hey there.
Greetings.
Children these days are ruder than ever, yet I'll forgive you for this endeavor.
Huh?
Are your heads full of brick? Follow me and be quick.
Why? Where to?
Simple, my dear, to find a way out of here. I prefer taking the easiest route to my goal. I won't waste time on pointless rigmarole.
Oh. Hey, Cloud. Striking out on your own?
It's a one-person job, that's why.
No. Gotcha. Wouldn't want to hold you up.
It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance.
Greetings to you as well, young knight.
You must be nervous, this being your first time here and all. I'll make sure we find our way home. So don't worry, okay?
Yeah, and I'll come along too. You got nothing to fear.
Come on. He might be of use to you.
Fortune could frown deeper for certain. Might I entreat you to act as my guides?
We'd be happy to.
A realm in which memories can be given form. I must admit I am intrigued.
Wait! I'm supposed to take the lead.
Hey, I thought we were supposed to be the guides.